And I'm going to start cooperation with ChatGPT, because now he is programmed to be really safety, and when you are too close to him, he will just warn you he's alive. Hi guys, so today's our first day of Eddie reactivation. I built this robot some time ago. I think I started about four years ago, and this robot was never finished yet. And now I just decided to do the same exactly what I did to our Winnie. I want to use a ChatGPT to help me to tweak the code to give Eddie a little bit more of personality, make him more alive, more real, like the same what I did with our Winnie. Because he's getting confused so much, somehow he just go back to the office, to all the robots. And this is just a test of AI mode, and he's using now ultrasonic sensor on his eye and JeVois AI camera or machine vision camera. Eddie, give him 5.
Five plus 5, 35.
That's actually great. Well,
Eddie is so smart. Step back. Keep distance for your safety.
and let's turn him on. Yes, that's the speaker. Put the battery in. I use all of my robots this kind of the batteries. Okay, let's put the battery in. We start the camera, JeVois. We raise the voice.
Movie booting. Movie is ready. The call sign is Winnie.
Hi, I'm Winnie. Say my name. Then do you wanna play? Or press the X explore. Left top, deep row, then leave. Loading every minute.
So this guy is actually alive. He have kind
Loading
of
every minute.
funny personality. He can go around by himself, explore the world, avoid the objects by using the JeVois camera. Yes, Terminator. But using the JeVois camera, he can recognize objects. He can just make some kind of the research.
Behind the robot. Forward.
And this is just a test of AI mode.
Loading
And
every
he's using now ultrasonic sensor on his eye and JeVois AI camera or machine vision camera. Somehow he just go back to the office, to all the robots. It works, but not good enough, because he's getting confused so much. Alright, so let's move our camera to our Eddie and to me, so you will see us a little bit better like this. A little bit higher. Yeah, so Winnie is kind of little robot, about 72 centimeters tall, but Eddie is almost tall like me. I am 182 and Eddie is I think 170, I don't remember, 170 something centimeters tall. You can send him comments, you can just talk with him, and you say something, he says something, so we can talk, have fun, right? Eddie, give me 5.
Five plus 5, 35.
That's actually great. Well,
Eddie is so smart.
but basically I use this for sending him comments, and for now I start to use this radio transmitter and receiver, and the range is crazy, about 4 kilometers, so I can be basically 4 kilometers away from Eddie and control him. That's crazy. In this eye he have JeVois camera, so he can see, understand, recognize thousands of objects. So anyway, I didn't start him a long time now, weeks, months, so we'll see if this will even work if we start him. And with Eddie now, it's he looks so cool and advanced, but the coding here I stopped some time ago, so the code is really simple. He basically do what I tell him. I go forward, turn left, right, look up, left, like, and give me 5, do some things. He's alive. Yeah, it works. But he don't talk, so something is wrong. I mean, everywhere around Eddie have all displays showing me the batteries. On the left ear he have the main battery for the motors, actuators and the servos. That one is actually perfect 20 volts. But on the right one I see, I can take off the camera. In this one it should be over 6 volts, now it's 575. So this can be probably not enough. But anyway, we try to reset him. Maybe this will work. All the switches down and we try to reset. Alright, and make him so much dust everywhere. Alright, so let's see. Start one more time. If you will talk and do something.
Rebooting.
Yes.
Movie is ready. The call sign is edit. Starting up. All systems ready.
It works.
Waiting for commands.
And now that's what I'm gonna do. I have to move away.
I wait. Standby mode
Because,
activated.
okay, it's still a machine, it's
I
still a
am
robot.
waiting for commands.
He's waiting for commands, but anyway, this is really simple code. And I make, of course, a lot of weird things with that coding. And he's safety, but everything can happen. So anyway, I will do this and try to send him some comments. So we'll see if he's still working. And the blue light is on. And Andy was in charge like over half year, I
Step
think.
back.
You see?
Keep distance for your safety.
Alright, so I'll keep distance.
Step back. Keep distance for your safety.
Stay this camera off.
Step
I
back.
have to move on. So we
Keep
turn off this
distance
camera and
for your
switch to this one.
safety. Step back. Keep distance for your safety. Step back. Keep distance for your safety.
Yeah, I keep distance for my safety, of course.
Step
Eddie.
back. Keep distance for your safety.
Eddie,
Step back. Keep distance for your safety.
something went wrong. I have to reset him carefully so he won't
Step
hit me or
back.
something. Because now he is programmed to be really safety, and when you are too close to him, he will just warn you before he do something.
All systems ready. Waiting for commands.
And I see one LED get burned. It's blinking. Wait.
Step
Anyway,
back.
he's
Keep
all of the
distance
commands.
for
When you
your
are too close, you
safety.
just get stuck. So he can't move. He can do anything.
Step back. Keep distance for your safety.
Okay, let's turn him off.
Step back.
You can remove the shield. I will try to. We take a light maybe, so I can show a little bit more what I mean. So he wasn't used like. Okay, we remove that panel as well. I didn't use him. I didn't start him long time. And you see inside, it's so much dust everywhere. Everything is just gray. So I have to maybe clean this before we really start him, because during the heat, you know, all the parts, cables, I mean electronics will get warm, and this can get maybe make a fire. I hope not, but look how much dust is inside. So we really have to clean him. See, even in the head inside, yeah, whole camera and sensors, everything is covered by dust, with dust, sorry. So, yep, we have to clean him up. And when I do this, when I clean him up, we can do even a video with how I clean, I will do the tutorial how to clean robot when they cover with the dust, because you were too lazy like a half year and you didn't clean him so much. Yeah, we can do that video as well. So, anyway, I mean, I will clean him up. This will take maybe a couple of days for me and check all of the wire. So much dust, all of the wires, all the batteries. We're gonna charge him, and then I'm going to start cooperation with ChatGPT to bring him to life and try to do something even more now with our Winnie.